Good morning, folks. This is the project of the day, I guess you'd say. I bought about a half a dozen of these dumpsters that were just all tacked together, and they were for a Hooklift setup that It's got a lot of life left into it for very little money compared to what you pay from a company. There she is, all done up, ready to go. Not too bad.